Healthy living is key in a good student life. Because student life is about more than just studying for exams. A good student life can be to start the day at the gym or not. To be greeted with the same smile every day. To get good advice on how to make your money last the whole month. To have someone to talk to. To go for the healthy option or not. To get a refund from your dental bill. To have lunch with others, if you want to. To apply for money for student activities. To engage. To meet someone at the door. To meet new people and make a friend to share the popcorn with. Or several.